Hello everyone, welcome to Fame World Educational Hub. I am Aishwarya Saxena and in this video I am going to talk about some best alternatives for Python programming language. Number 1. Go. Go is great for building the infrastructure and modern web apps like single page applications and mobile apps. It isn't necessary for creating more classic programs. Powerful and trustworthy REST API development is possible with Go. Number 2. Java. There appears to be an endless conflict between Python and Java, and for a good cause. However, it's hard to deny that Java is the most efficient alternative to Python and a serious contender in the programming language industry. Number 3. Ruby. Ruby has been used to create some useful applications such as GitHub and SlideShare. You must have heard about it. However, Python is widely used in data science and machine learning fields, while Ruby is mostly used for web development. You tell me that which one is your favorite. Number 4. Node.js. It's simple for smaller businesses to keep using the technology to create new applications. This technology is used by websites like PayPal and social networking sites like LinkedIn. You must have gone through them. PayPal and LinkedIn everybody must be using. Most of you. Comment below that which one is your favorite. Number 5. PHP. In recent years, several high-quality PHP-based programs such as WordPress have entered the market, making it much simpler for users to set up and maintain their websites while also taking command of their content. So I hope you have enjoyed this video and you have gained some useful knowledge. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and press the notification bell for more such videos. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. See you in the next video.